Welcome to a very windy Winchester Caravan and Motorhome Club site. If you can hear me, I'm going to show you around.
Hello.
Hello, right Max, you know where we are?
Earth.
We are on planet Earth. We are at Winchester Club campsite, which I can't remember what it's called now, Morn Hill or something. I will double check. But first trip in our campervan for probably 5 or 6 months. We have had that one other trip in the motorhome that you may have seen. Ooh. It is, what date is today? 25th of February. Max is Sunday. Max has an inset day tomorrow, which means he's off school. So we take the opportunity to blow the cobwebs off from the van. And does it need it? Because we must have put our cali topper away mouldy or wet, because it's gone a bit mouldy. But Suzanne's just coming back from the toilet.
That's better. I've got my thermal top on.
Is it going to be that cold?
The shower block and toilets are...
Well, more on the shower and toilet block later, but first let's have a look at the location and then a drive around the campground. Winchester Morn Hill campsite is located just a short drive or a bus journey from the city of Winchester. Perfect if you want a city break or to be near a place with plenty to do. The main roads leading up to the site plus the entrance means you will have no issues no matter the size of your leisure vehicle. Let's take a quick tour around the campground. The entrance is here, the gate was already lifted for us, and as you can see the pitches are very spacious. Plenty of opportunity if you need a larger pitch, although we just picked a smaller one as we had no awning, and as we turn left here, the pitch straight ahead of us now is the one that we stayed on. And in the middle of this roundabout type road is the amenities block. But we are going to go round one more time so we can take a different route. There's our pitch again. Let's move on to take a look at the showers and let's see what Suzanne has to say.
Suzanne's just coming back from the toilet.
That's better. I've got my thermal top on.
Is it going to be that cold?
The shower block and toilets are immaculate.
Are they?
Oh my god, I wish I brought my stuff for a shower now to have tomorrow.
Well,
they
are
amazing.
There you go, that's we haven't used them yet.
Oh my god, they're so super duper clean.
Well, there you go, the ladies seem adequate. Let's check out the gents. And these murals are a theme here, as you're going to see. Everything seems pretty clean, spacious showers with proper taps, which is always a favourite. And guess what? We have lots of pegs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pegs in total. That should do it. Everything else seems clean and modern, so it seems like it's a thumbs up from us. Again, clean and modern and very usable. And here is that mural theme again. The washer dryer wasn't used but looks up to date, so I think this would all be good too. And And the service point is pretty standard with a good supply of bins and a functional, if not well used, chemical toilet disposal area. I think this is definitely a place we would return to, with smart and spacious pitches and clean facilities. It is also a short drive or short bus journey to the city of Winchester. Let's have a look at what we both thought of Winchester Morn campsite.
What do you think of it, honey?
Very nice.
It was clean and tidy, wasn't it?
Very nice. I think it was refurbished just recently or in the last few years. But it's very clean. The facilities are very clean. Very nice.
Yeah, so my pictures were good, weren't they? Nice,
very nice.
Spacious.
Yeah. Ideal
Neat.
Location, not far from Winchester town centre. So you can get a bus. It's like a 3-minute walk.
Yeah, 3-minute walk and a 3-minute bus journey, or within 10 minutes.
You're in Winchester town centre. But you just need to check the timetable for coming back. Across the road from the campsite is a hotel, Holiday Inn. I believe they have a swimming pool there, but you don't know about whether you have to. I mean, you have to pay to go, so it'd be worth checking out if they would accept
non-residents.
And
the Science Museum.
Oh, and the Science Museum for kids.
Good for kids.
Very good. We've been there before when Max was younger. But
yeah.
Winchester, there's plenty to see and do in Winchester as well, isn't there?
Yeah, we were there last night. Went to a couple of pubs and something to eat, so it's good.
Very nice.
That's it. We're heading to Winchester now. Going to see family and head home.
Yeah, it's windy and cold.
It is cold.
Windy and
We're going to go for a walk, decided not to.
Yeah, it's too windy and cold. But it was good. Very nice.
Yeah.
Impressed. I'd easily come back and stay for a couple more nights.
Yeah, because there's some National Trust places nearby.
National Trust.
And you've got the hotel with the pool and there's the Science Museum, so there's a couple of days here, you'd have enough to do.
Yeah, definitely.
And then Winchester, the cathedral and everything, so
Yeah.
good. Right. Okay.
Bye.
See you later, bye.